Sometime in the distant past, in a cozy little mouse hole nestled within the walls of a grand kitchen, lived a small and ambitious mouse named Milo. While other mice spent their days searching for scraps of food, Milo dreamed of becoming a chef. He was captivated by the aromas that filled the kitchen, the sizzling sounds of pans, and the artistry displayed by the human chefs. Every night, when the kitchen grew quiet and the humans went to sleep, Milo would venture out of his hole. He would tiptoe across the countertops, observing the chefs in action. Milo studied their every move, their techniques, and the magic they created with ingredients. Determined to pursue his culinary dreams, Milo sought guidance from the wise old kitchen mouse, Chef Pierre. Chef Pierre had witnessed the rise of many renowned chefs and was known for his expertise in the art of cooking. Under Chef Pierre's tutelage, Milo began his culinary education. He learned about different flavors, the importance of balance, and the joy of experimenting with ingredients. Milo's tiny paws would mix and knead, chop and stir, as he honed his skills and expanded his repertoire. Despite his size, Milo had big aspirations. He dreamed of opening his own restaurant, where he could create masterpieces that would delight both mice and humans alike. With each dish he prepared, Milo poured his heart and soul into it, infusing it with his passion and determination. As word spread about Milo's exceptional cooking skills, more and more creatures came to taste his creations. From mice to birds, from squirrels to rabbits, they all gathered to savor the flavors that Milo meticulously crafted. The once humble mouse hole transformed into a bustling eatery, filled with laughter and the clinking of cutlery. Milo's dream had become a reality, but he never forgot his humble beginnings. He would often visit the mouse hole where it all began, sharing stories of his journey and inspiring other young mice to chase their own dreams. Over time, Milo's reputation as a chef grew far and wide. Renowned food critics hailed him as a culinary genius, and his restaurant became a destination for food lovers from all corners of the world. Milo had achieved what he had always dreamed of. He had become the chef he aspired to be. The story of Milo, the mouse who wanted to be a chef, reminds us that no dream is too big, no aspiration too lofty. With determination, passion, and the willingness to learn, we can overcome any obstacle and turn our dreams into reality. Milo's journey is a testament to the power of following your heart and embracing your true calling. And so, Milo continued to create culinary masterpieces, spreading joy and delight with every dish. His legacy lives on, inspiring both mice and humans to pursue their passions and to never underestimate the potential within themselves. The end.